Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. Welcome to Let's Go French. So in today's lesson, we will discuss vocabulary that is related to restaurant. Basically, whenever we go to any restaurant in French or any other francophone country, we can use the simple vocabulary to make sentences as well as to communicate with the waiter or the other people in the restaurant. So let's start with it. Restaurant is known as le restaurant. So now we will discuss some vocabulary, basically some verbs that are used in a restaurant when we order something or we want to ask for something. The first one is manger, which means to eat. So how do we use it in a sentence? For example, I can say Je voudrais manger la poulet. That means I would like to eat some chicken. Likewise, Je voudrais manger la salade. I want to eat the salad. The next one is boire, which means to drink. For boire, we can say Qu'est-ce que vous voudrez pour boire? Which means what would you like to have for drink? Or if you want to say I want to drink some wine, then you can say Je voudrais boire du vin. The next one is la petit déjeuner. La petit déjeuner basically means breakfast and déjeuner means lunch. So pour la petit déjeuner basically means to eat breakfast and pour déjeuner means to eat lunch. The next one is dîner, which means to eat dinner. Les entrées. Les entrées is basically appetizers or the starters that we have before our main course. Examples of some entree or appetizer are la salade, la soup, etc. Then the next one is les plats, which means the main course, the main dishes that we eat. So the examples of this is le poisson, the fish, le poulet, or la bacon, or we can say la ratatouille, or any other dish that we like to have. The next one is fromage, basically which means cheese. In French culture, cheese is an important part of the course. Usually the French people eat cheese with a lot of things. There are a lot of different types of cheese available in France and in other francophone countries. The next one is le dessert, which means dessert that we eat after our main course, and at the end we can also drink something like some hot tea or coffee. Basically, you get options of various things after you eat your food. The next one is le boisson. Le boisson means drinks, various different kind of drinks, that is la coca, la cafe, la vin, latte. These all are boisson. So now we will discuss some items that we usually order in our restaurant. The first one is salad, and it is known as la salade. The next one is la soup or la potage or la veloute. These all are basically soups, and there are various different kinds of soups like spinach soup, la soup, la spinach, la tomate soup, and various other soups. The next one is la ouf, which means egg. The next one is la boeuf, which means beef. La poule is chicken. I discussed some of these vocabularies in my previous lesson also, so you can look for that video, that is vocabulary related to fruits and vegetables. The next one is la vie, that is veal. The next one is poisson. The next one is legume, which basically means vegetable. The next one is le pâtes, which is pasta. Le riz, which is rice. Le frit, which is fries. La pain, which is bread. There are a lot of different sorts of bread which are available in France. Some of which are croissant, baguette, and there are many more other sorts of bread which are available in France. The next one is la beurre, which basically means butter. Then la fruit, which is fruit. La biscuit, which is cookie or a biscuit. La creme caramel is like a flan. La gâteau, which is cake. Now we are basically discussing the dessert, some dessert, that is gâteau, tart, glace. These are some desserts. Gâteau means cake, tart means pie, and glace means ice cream. We can say la tarte, the phrase that is strawberry pie. Then we have la tarte, the pomme, which is apple pie. And then for glass, la glace chocolat or la glace vanilla. These are some types of ice creams that you can say. The next one is la pork, which means pork. So that's all for today. I hope you liked today's lesson, and if you liked it, do like and subscribe, and if you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye. Merci. Au revoir.